I decided to come on top of this Golden Glaze interchange parking lot because I just love to be able to come up here and just meditate and see how people are heading to work and heading home. I'm looking forward to my time to be able to finally be able to not have to go to work early in the morning, but be able to do whatever I want to do, wake up in the morning, trade, and just be able to begin my entrepreneurship. So right here I have my trading plan. I'm gonna get ready to share it with you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below. I would really appreciate it. So here, I started this new trading plan. So here I have my trading plan. I created and wrote it down on the 25th. All right, so I'm going to read to you guys. It says I have to make one A+ setup a day, risking 2% high probability trades only. One trade, AUD USD, gold. My take profits hit my take profit. My stop loss is to hit my stop loss. Stay disciplined, proper risk management, no revenge trading. People depend on you. Journal all trades, no trades Wednesday, and check news. On the next page, on this page I'm to only trade on my laptop, invest in magic keys every month if I have to. At the end of the day, this is not just for me, but my family in future. And I must back test every day using FX replay. I'm gonna have a link to that in the bottom of the description. I highly recommend it. I gotta give a shout out to Mercy Trades. I'm gonna have her Instagram in the bottom of the description. Also her Instagram right here. She does have a course. She has a mentorship. Go ahead and check it out. Send her a DM. I'm gonna have her Instagram right here. This morning I placed a gold trade, a gold intraday swing trade. So I'm gonna get ready to break down to you guys exactly what I journaled down right here. December 22nd, 2023. I have 4:30. That's what time it was when I entered the trade, and I started writing this down. It says back test. It says break and retest. That's what I named it. 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour supply on gold trade. I feel good and relaxed. I am risking 2% on my gold trade. Take profit is 4-to-1 risk reward. Want to take the risk. I waited for a 30-minute, 45-minute candle break for entry confirmation. I'm risking 105 for a profit of 405. This is an A setup. This is what I told myself I'm gonna do every time I place a trade is make sure I journal down. I'm gonna name every trade that I place. Also, I'm gonna put in where I entered at, why I entered, and how I'm feeling that morning, what my risk reward is, and what grade setup it is. Like I told you guys, I'm only taking A+ and A setup. This is an A setup, but it's pretty much an A+ setup. But what's gonna go on throughout this day, I'm gonna see you guys when I get to work. I now work in Broward County, so I have to wait for my Broward County bus. I work a little bit north of the Hard Rock. Yeah, I gotta wait for this 35, 40-minute bus ride to get to work. Show you guys my gold trading setup that I seen this morning. I usually start getting busy at work once the sun rises. Go ahead and show you guys the gold trade I seen this morning. Yeah, please. All right, before I even connect to the internet, this is what was shown when I originally placed the trade. So I had the support resistance area right here. I anticipated a price gonna come right here and reject off of it. Also, there was a 4 hour, a 3 hour, a 2 hour, and a 1 hour supply order block. I used this line to mark up my now supply order block. Right now, this is currently the 4 hour time frame. The 4 hour order block starts here, and the 3 and 2 and 1 hour starts up here. So I'm currently not connected to the internet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to connect to the internet. Also, as you can see, I was floating $16 profit. As you can see, I use magic keys. I told myself I had to use magic keys. I'm doing a 5K account. I'm using my funded FX. So let's get ready to connect to the internet and show you guys what's going on with this trade. So just connect it. All right, so it looks like as if this price is respecting this area. I am currently floating 42 bucks. I'm just gonna check back on this trade later on to see what's going on. I'm risking 2% for 8%. I'm going for a 4-to-1 risk reward, and I'm floating bare minimum. We're gonna see what's gonna happen throughout the rest of the day. I would love to see that price continue to go down, and most definitely I would love to see that price closes under this candlestick, this blue candlestick, because if that's the case, it would give me a 4 hour candlestick entry. So yeah, we'll check back later on and see what's going on with the trade. So I did tell myself I'm gonna be doing a lot of things differently than I ever did before because this is a different job site. I'm currently working in Broward. I don't usually get busy until after the sunrise. But yeah, I decided to go ahead and take 2 weeks off trading because after I passed my phase 1 of my funded FX prop firm, I passed the phase 1. After I passed my phase 1, and I ended up failing the phase 2 and the part 1 that I was recording and sharing to you guys on YouTube, I felt as if, okay, you need to sit down and just gather yourself together. You need to change as a person, because if you don't expect the same stretch to be able to become a funded trader, because it's not going to work. Don't expect this stretch that you want to become a successful Forex trader. It ain't going to happen, because you need to change who you are as a person. So I decided to go ahead and take the 2 weeks off and just really focus and hone down on my own craft and my own self. And yeah, so far everything been going well. I can't complain. But yeah, I'm not gonna be going back and forth to my laptop. I'm gonna probably check back on it later on to see what's going on with it, because it's an intraday swing trade. I'm pretty confident in it. It's an A setup, pretty much like an A+ setup. It's a really good setup because everything lines up. The day lines up, the 4-hour supply, the 3-hour supply, the 2-hour supply, the 1-hour supply, the 15 and the 45-minute candle break entry. I have some imbalance, and I'm expecting that price to continue to break structure to the downside. So I'm pretty much confident in this trade. So I'm gonna be seeing you guys later on around 10 or noon. We'll see if I ain't too busy. So I'm gonna see you guys later. I am making the trench because every time we turn around, this water fills up this crane zone. So I'm making the trench to go all the way around up under the garage. I'm curious to see what this gold trader like. It's 8:55, and maybe like an hour or so I'm gonna go upstairs to see what's going on with the gold trade. Hopefully it's going well. Until then, we're gonna continue to get this job done. So this is what I'm doing. I'm cleaning out this shit in the machine, the Bobcat. I got most of it up, but I still have a whole lot up there that's caked up. I'm gonna run some water over to kind of rinse it off a bit. Scrape this shit off right here. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. After this, we're gonna go upstairs and check on this trade. I completely forgot, bro. It's 12:52. At 1 o'clock, we can go upstairs, check on the laptop, and see what's going on with my gold trade. Until then, let's continue to mess with these machines. Get this mud off. Hey, so check it. Real quick, I want to give a shout out to all the ones that have been supporting me since day one, that subscribe to my channel, leave comments. And the fun thing about it is that you guys don't even know me in real life, and you guys show me so much love and so much support. You guys share my content. You guys comment. Man, I just want to tell you guys, I really appreciate it. I don't know any other way to tell you guys that, you know, I'm very grateful for you guys, everyone that been saying the best in me. And like I said, you guys don't even know me in person. And that's all I want to say. I'm getting ready to go upstairs and see what's going on with this gold trade right now. Just wanted to get it off my chest. It is. Remember, this is where it was at this morning. I haven't connected to the internet yet. This is where it was at this morning, y'all. And this is where I was floating. I was floating $42. Now, let's connect to the internet and see what's going on with this trade now. It's loading, it's loading. Let's see. Wow, man. And it almost stumped me out, to be honest. Sheesh. We should still be in profit a little bit. We're up $17. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have this trade rolling all over the weekend. Before I leave work, because I leave at 3 o'clock, I'm gonna check back and see what's going on with this trade. Yeah, and bro, look how I'm trading. Let me walk around real quick. Let me close this. Bro, like this shit, I'm wide open, bro. I'm wide open, bro. And what's crazy is this shit ain't got no walls. We just got pipes and metals and and pillars. That's it. And even downstairs, if they're working in a garage, bro, they can see me. They're working in a garage down there. They can see me. Ain't no hiding, bro. Ain't no hiding, bro. The office, right there. My manager's not here, but yeah, man, this is to show you guys, man. This is what I'm willing to do. This is the sacrifice I'm willing to make sure I'm able to, you know, yeah, so before I leave, I'm gonna check back onto this and see what's going on with the trade before I leave. Let's just hope we get some more floating bare minimum. Let you guys know, man, I almost forgot that I was in a gold trade. This is actually the first time I actually feel absolutely nothing. Just placing my trade and going about life, going about things that needs to get done, go about working at my job, go about eating lunch, bro. Not have to always just watch the charts, bro. And I can say that's actually a lot of growth that I've seen within myself. I recommend you guys too, if you are working at your 9-to-5 job, Ask yourself, what are you willing to sacrifice to be able to become a successful and a profitable Forex trader, bro? As for me, y'all already see it, bro. This is as clear as it gets. It gets no better than this. Obviously, I've not documented everything that I do. However, you guys see the things that I do share, and for the most part, it's not fake. This shit's real, bro. I'm not where I want to be when it comes to trading. I'm gonna get there. Yeah, I've had some withdrawals when it comes to trading live account, for sure, no doubt about it. But bro, I've lost so much more than I've made, and I'm in the process of making all that shit back. I look at all that shit as if it's a college tuition. I'm gonna get all that shit back. And you guys see it, bro. I'm at work. There's nowhere to hide, and bro, everything is wide open. But I'm gonna see you guys later, man. People are weird, bro. Just got a laptop and show you guys the gold trade, and I also placed the AUD trade last night. So I'm gonna explain to you guys exactly what I seen on my AUD USD trade. So as you can see, I had a major resistance right here. All right, price basically broke. This is a 4-hour time frame. Price is a 4-hour time frame. Price basically broke past, retested, and I seen that price had potential coming down here. This liquidity to break structure, and also you have liquidity down here. My main take profits down here also had a fib golden zone from this to here, and I anticipate that price is gonna come all the way down. So let me show you guys really quick where I'm currently standing. This is a screenshot. So this is what this trade currently looks like on AUD USD. I seen that price had potential of coming down, retesting the zone before it continue to fall down. Also, my gold trade been looking pretty solid for the most part. I'm gonna show you guys the profits right quick on my MT4. If you're interested in YouTube banner, hit me up. It's loading. All right, I'm currently floating almost 2.5%. I'm floating 106 on gold, and I'm floating 20 on AUD USD. Eventually, once price keep heading down, maybe around like 10 o'clock, I'll probably move my trade to like break even. Because if I would have been moved it to break even, price came back up around like, I think it was around like 3 o'clock in the morning, and it would have wicked me out if I moved my trade to break even, and would have continued to wet my way. So I'm not moving my trade to break even until I'm in a 2-to-1 zone. This is a 4-to-1 risk reward. So I'm gonna see you guys later on. All right, just got to work, got the cereal on deck. Around later on when I get on break, around like 10 o'clock, I'm gonna show you guys my AUD and gold trade setup. Also, if you are interested in Discord, a community of like-minded traders, trading supply and demand, please feel free to check out Marty VFX. I'm having this link in the bottom of my description. His Instagram is right here. Yeah, if you're interested in Discord group, trading supply and demand, check them out. All right, so I'm finna get on break. I'm hot. I've been sweating a bit. I'm working on machines. Finna get ready to go. Finna get ready to go to Wendy's to give me something to eat. I am hungry. Then we finna get ready to go upstairs and see what's going on with my gold and my AU trade. I don't have TradingView MT4, MT5 on my phone, so I'll have to go upstairs and see it on my laptop. Let's just hope it didn't hit my stop loss, and it's possibly floating bare minimum or hit my take profit. So let's go eat. Yeah, I got my 4 for 4. Get ready to go upstairs and see what's going on with these trades, bro. Ain't gonna lie, kind of nervous, but dog, the setup was too fire to pass up. We on the flow, have a good feeling about this trade, and see what's going on. There it is. Let's check him out. All right, so this is where it was last at this morning. This was gold. This is where gold was at last this morning. When I last recorded, this is where gold and AU were at this morning. And let's connect to the internet. That shit dumped good, bro. This has to be good for my challenge. This has to be good for my challenge. Let's see what we have here. We're floating 265, bro. This is good, bro. Let's look at gold. Oh, this is gold. Okay. I should secure some. Let me see what's going on in the 5-minute. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do, because I don't want to do anything crazy. I think I should just close this trade completely. I want to just close it. I gotta monitor this trade because price may come back up and fill in all this imbalance. You can see over here. Over here, price looks good, but price creates so much imbalance down there. I think I'm just go ahead and close the gold trade. Let's see if price go above that blue wick. I'm gonna close it, bro. I'm just take what the market give me and I'm gonna just run for it. As for AU, I should just put AU at my stop loss at break even. Or above this high. I'm gonna put AU above this high. And as for gold, I'm gonna have my mental stop loss above here. I just wanna watch this for a moment. Got Wendy's, a 4 for $4, plain double cheeseburger, well, plain cheeseburger, fried, and chicken nuggets. This is the longest I for sure have ever held the trade for. I had so much confidence in this trade. I've been holding this trade since 4:30 a.m. Friday. I held it all over the weekend, and I didn't feel any type of way about it. Yeah, I'm gonna close this gold trade. What you're gonna do, gold, you go up a little bit, I'll close you. As soon as it goes above there, I'm gonna close it. Close. Secured. My trade history. Almost there. That's a good game, bro. First trade, that ain't bad. That is not bad. I'm done trading today. That's it. I'm done with that trade. I just closed it. My take profit would have been me to pass the challenge, but I just want to take what the market just gave me. That's halfway to pass my challenge. This with gold and with AUD USD, that look like a break and retest. So I see that AUD USD does have potential to keep going down to the bottom. So that's my AUD USD setup right here. I anticipated, and it's crazy how it played out perfectly. So price was down here originally. I told myself price gonna come up, retest this area and break down, and then retest this area and then fall down. So right now it looks like price is retesting this area once again. It may give like a 5 or 15 minute entry. I'm gonna remove this because I don't want this in the way, because I see this have potential of setting up for another entry on AUD USD. This is a supply zone, and what I'm anticipating to happen is price wick this resistance, filling this imbalance, tap the order block, and then fall. So basically my entry will be like this. Something like this. My stop loss is gonna be there. My take profit can be here. Or here. And the reason, obviously, I want my take profit to be here, as you can see, it's a breaking structure, and that's where liquidity lays. Liquidity is right here. So we're gonna see if there's a entry that comes up. I'm gonna set an alarm so it notifies my email that price tapped into this order block. Alert, click here, just make sure it's there. All right, if AU go up there, it's gonna let my phone know. So like I said, this is the longest trade I've ever held. Like I have been holding this trade since Friday, 4:30 a.m. EST. Didn't feel no type of way about it. I was very confident in this trade. You can see the gold trade played out perfectly. I still have my AU set up, but as I just got out finished eating, I seen the chart. AU look like it's just gonna keep plummeting. It may not give me another entry, but I do have my take profit set with AU. And I have my stop loss set in profit. So right now I'm just floating bare minimum. I'm gonna check back and see what's going on with the charts later on. I did set my alarm on it, so if price go up to like a 5-minute supply, which is also retesting resistance, it will let my phone know, and I will try to come up here if I'm not too busy to see if it give me a break candle entry. So I'm gonna see you guys later. I've been busting my ass today, boy. I'm gonna take my break, go to the store, get some snacks, go upstairs and check the charts. I did take that AUD USD trade on the 5-minute demand. Give me a 5-minute supply. I'm gonna show y'all, hold on. All right, I'm gonna take my 30-minute break, charge up my phone as well, got me some chips, sunflower seeds, and a Gatorade. I did get a notification for the AUD USD 5-minute supply. We finna look into it, show you guys what happened. So this was the 5-minute supply that I marked up before I left, you guys. This is the 5-minute supply right here. Let me move my EMA. This is the 5-minute supply that I marked up. It's also a resistance. So let me go ahead and connect to my internet so I can show you guys. So the internet should be coming up shortly. There it is. I'm gonna click on it. Load up. Bam. Oh wow. It did give me an entry. It gave me an entry. I entered down here. And apparently it came down a little bit and it went to drawdown. So this is what the trade looked like. So yeah, we'll get ready soon, see what's gonna go on with this trade. Sheesh. This trade hit the stop loss. I'm done for the day, bro. Like it's gonna be over with. Let me just make sure my stop losses are in the right spot. Oh man, it's gonna be tough. It is what it is. Like I'm willing to take the loss. That'll be a 65, 1%, 1%, about 1% loss. And I'm gonna be done for the day. Because that'll be minus, what it is, minus 56. And there's gonna be a plus, what it is, a plus almost $6. So that'll be minus 1% of the total equity. Win, lose, or draw, I'm completely grateful. Yeah, so we'll see. Hopefully we get some momentum to the downside. We'll see what's gonna happen. They working my ass good. All that damn bare minimum that I used to be doing my other job site. Ain't no bare minimum here. That shit dead, boy. It is what it is though. Time flying. So this is the last trade that I placed. Remember when I was at work when I told you guys I seen a 5-minute order block? This is a supply zone. And what I'm anticipating to happen is price wick this resistance, filling this imbalance, tap the order block, and then fall. So basically my entry will be like this. Something like this. My stop loss is gonna be there. My take profit can be here. Or here. And the reason obviously I want my take profit to be here, as you can see, it's a breaking structure, and that's where liquidity lays. Liquidity is right here. So we're gonna see if there's a entry that comes up. I entered that trade, right? And look what it did. It literally waked me out. It waked me out. I got back in. Immediately, I got back in. And bro, like, I got right back in. I just came from the garage. I'm ready to go downstairs away from my bus to get some work. I got some news to tell y'all. Good and bad. Well, bad and good. We're gonna talk that when I get to work though. Let me just make sure I get to work safe. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if not. Bro, I'm gonna have some good videos coming out soon. It is. Good morning, so I'm late this morning. Bus took forever to find me home. Today is September 26, 2023. Happy birthday to my fiance. If you guys are watching this, man, give my fiance a happy birthday wish. Today's her birthday. I placed the AUD USD trade this morning. I'm going to show you guys the trade that I placed right now. Really quick because it's busy upstairs. It's busy up here already. All right, so this is where it was. Let me connect to the internet and see where it's at right now. All right, so it's loading up. Come on, I don't have time for this. Alright, so it's coming down really quick. Let me just break down to you guys exactly what I seen. Alright, had a strong level of resistance. Yesterday I placed this trade. It hit my stop loss. I immediately got right back in at the 5-minute and price hit my take profit. So this morning I seen a 30-minute supply, seen 30-minute supply. Also, there's a fifth golden zone from this high to this low, swing high. I'm anticipating the price to come down, break structure to the downside. If price hit this, I'll pass my challenge. I'm currently floating at $32. Here's my, I took a win. I took my first win. All right, this is my first loss. It hit my stop loss. I immediately got back in. And price hit my take profit for the 125. And I also hit a take profit for a 30. So I'm gonna come back later on and see what's going on with this trade. Hopefully hit my take profit by the time I come back. See you guys later. AUD USD trade is the only trade I'm gonna place. I'm not gonna place no more trades today. If the trade hit my take profit, I pass my challenge. And if it hit my stop loss, I only lose this a little bit over 0.5%, not even 1%. So basically, I'm risking $30 for 90 bucks. And then once I pass it, I'm not trading at all tomorrow. I'm not even supposed to be trading Wednesdays. I'm not gonna be looking at the market. I'm not gonna be doing no back tests. I'm not gonna be doing anything. Just after work, just pretty much editing my video, working my thumbnail, and yeah, pretty much get ready to get my content out there. Going into phase 2, I'm gonna make sure I have a clear mind. My mind is on my shoulder the right way, like it is right now. And just going there with my head held high. I'm gonna see you guys later on. So I am done trading today. I am fucking done trading for the day. Today, I've made a total of over 2.5%. Today was a very profitable day with my challenge. But just let you guys know off rip, there's some things I did that I wasn't supposed to do. The first thing I did off rip was download TradingView MT4 on my phone. I'm not supposed to have MT4 TradingView on my phone. I'm not supposed to allow myself to have such easy access to the market because I tend to do things I'm not supposed to do. Another thing too is that I end up placing not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, but about 9 trades. Very profitable, excuse me, very profitable. However, I'm not supposed to be doing these things. I'm soon about to get ready to get off work. So I'm gonna see you guys. Yes, sir, good morning, you guys. Today is Wednesday, September 27th. It is currently 9:40. So I'm gonna let you guys know real quick. This morning, I did pass my phase 1. I seen supply on a 5-minute, also supply on a 15-minute, and I went for a 1-to-1 risk reward because, I mean, I risked what I needed to get what I needed, a 1-to-1. It only made sense. So after that, you know, later on, I got my credentials. On my phase 2, I placed the AUD USD 5-minute supply. So now I have to wait and see how this trade is gonna go on. And that's so long ago place it, maybe like 20 minutes ago. Placed a trade on my phone. Also, when I did pass my phase 1, I placed that trade also on my phone. It was before New York session though. Mind you, I'm not supposed to be trading during New York session. On Wednesdays during New York sessions, I'm not supposed to be trading, especially scalping. However, on my phase 2, I did risk 1% for 4%. So I'm going for a 4-to-1 risk reward. If it hit my stop loss, I lose 1%. If it hit my take profit, that's 4%, meaning I would pass the challenge. I think the target price is 4%, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going for a 4-to-1 risk reward on AUD USD. Like I said, it's currently 9:43. It's 9:43 a.m. And real quick, there's so much that took into account when it comes to passing this phase 1 and also passing my previous phase 1, the one that was not documented on my other YouTube, on my whatever. But something that came into account is that, especially with this one, mainly I told myself, you gotta really look within yourself when it comes to this trading shit for sure. I realized I needed to take some time off the charts. I took 2 weeks off, bro. 2 weeks. I was willing to sacrifice 2 weeks. I was willing to sacrifice 2 weeks of not being on the charts at all, just to really lock in on my psychology and changing myself as a person. And it helped, bro. It showed on my phase 1. I mean, you're not gonna win every trade, but I mean, sometimes you just might. But my win rate was pretty high. I think it was like 70% win rate, whatnot, like 75% win rate. It was pretty good because I was able to sit back and really look within myself on a psychology note and acknowledge that I need to take some time away from the charts because, bro, I've been in this trading thing for 3 years and I never took a break off. Like, I never took a week off. I took 2 weeks off because I knew I needed it. So sometimes you really have to look within yourself and find out what exactly do you need to do, because what I need to do, I mean, what you need to do may be different from what that person need to do. And what that person need to do to become successful and profitable and pass challenges may be different from what I need to do. So you really have to look within your own self and find out where are you fucking up, where are you messing up, and accept responsibility. You have to accept responsibility. And you can't blame the market. You can't blame anyone else. You have to blame yourself. That's the only way to be able to elevate inside this industry. So I think I'm gonna make a video on this another time. So yeah, like I said, I'm gonna go to lunch or on break, and I'm gonna see you guys later.